What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Having a big nose can be challenging. Back in the days I personally struggled a lot with it. And that's why I created today's video to show you exactly what hacks you can use in order to make your nose appear smaller than it actually is. Basically it is all about proportion and if your nose is the center and first viewpoint of your face or not. And what I personally love that there are so many hacks that you can use in order to make your face look more balanced and therefore make your nose appear smaller as well. So if you struggle with having a big nose and you finally want to know some hacks that will help you to make your nose appear smaller than it actually is, then definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start with today's video, take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best version ever. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, so let's start first of all with your haircut. What haircut is beneficial for making your nose appear smaller? Basically, if you choose a haircut that is really short, like for example a buzz cut, it will simply lead all the focus to your nose as it is now the first viewpoint of your face. That's why you should choose a haircut that has a lot of volume on top and make your hair look thicker and therefore grabs the attention. But don't go crazy with it, otherwise it will just look immature. So basically every haircut with volume on top will help you to make your nose appear smaller than it actually is. Besides that, you should also not trim your sides too short as it will also lead the focus more to your nose. Try to keep it balanced and choose a medium length and volume on top. Let's continue with the second hack that will help you to make your nose appear smaller than it is, which is balance your face with choosing the right pair of glasses. But be careful, not every pair of glasses will help you to balance your face. For example, very thin and close together glasses will create the opposite effect and will emphasize the size of your nose even more. Instead, you should buy glasses that have bigger frames and are in proportion to the rest of your face. So don't wear glasses that are either too small or too big. But still focus on bigger frames as they will grab the attention from your nose away. It is simply all about proportion, so bigger frames will balance your bigger nose and smaller frames will do the opposite. So keep that in mind when you buy a new pair of glasses. Alright, let's continue directly with hack number 3, which will help you to make your nose appear smaller than it is, which is simply facial hair. I mean, think about it, if your face is 100% clean shaved and you don't wear any glasses, then all the attention will be on your nose. It is simply the first spot that people will look at because you are not using any hack to grab its attention. That's why you should try to play with your facial hair and therefore create a more balanced face. But also don't rock only a mustache, as it is closely to your nose and lead the focus back to it. Have a balanced beard no matter which length, and also make sure that your ankles are clean shaved, so no neck beard. Otherwise it can quickly look unhygienic and like a savage. So keep that in mind if you want to balance your nose with a beard. And yes, those were my hacks that you can use in order to make your nose appear smaller than it is, but still accept yourself the way you are. A big nose can also make you look more masculine in comparison to a guy with a small nose. Try to focus more on the positive sides of your individual characteristics, but still do the best to balance the negative effects with some easy hacks. Because there are actually always some incredible hacks that you can use in order to look your best and more attractive as well. Also, if you want to see daily videos about that, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below and become part of the family. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.